accelerates faster, but you don't get any arm pump.
So, oh my God. So what I noticed was it's faster out of corners and it feels lighter in the corners where there's nothing rotating. But I do notice, I noticed something in my hands, like it's heavier.
Yes.
Yeah.
I know what you're talking about, yeah. You can like feel the weight at like weird times.
But I think, I get used to it. No problem.
Yeah. Yeah, I went down, I went, oh! Kissed the ground pretty good, but I'm all right. Yeah, dude, this thing is wild.
Love it. Like I would fully, like if there was just a class I could race that in, I'd be ready to be done with the 450 and just ride one of those. Yeah. That thing's amazing.
It is crazy. The cell phone was also halfway popped down.
Was it?
When I went down.
When you went down? So
I could have hit it too though.
You might have.
I mean, it happens so fast.
I think you just now hit it.
Dude, the amount of people that opens riding up to.
Oh my God, dude.
Think how big Axel Hodges or
Beer Man or any of those.
Josh Hill and them.
Those guys could go in the dunes. Like how big.
Oh my God, too big. Too big, dude. Yeah, the consequences get to be too big.
They're already too big.
But I'll tell you one thing, like, yes, this thing is 260 pounds.
260 now?
It's 260. But in the straights, over the bumps, that extra weight helps it. Dude, it is so stable. Where my 450's like, gets a little bit of chatter.
I got a little bit of cha-cha.
You did?
Yeah.
Down that long straight?
All the way against the hill, all the way against the trees, where that limb's kind of out now. Go all the way down and you make that big right-hander like it's muddy on the outside. Yeah. Coming into that straight before that left. I don't know if it's body positioning or what, but I got some cha-cha.
Well, it's more stable than my 450 is through that. Yeah. It's awesome.
Where the forks set out in height. You can also lower them down too.
Millions of views. Me jumping that little jump on the light B. It was everything I could do to get over it.
Did you get over it though?
Oh yeah.
The forks go.
Yeah, it sounds horrible. It feels horrible.
Dude, you know they're an air fork? You can air them way up.
Oh yeah.
I aired mine way up.
It's because it's mountain bike stuff. There's a jump up there on top. Have you been on top of the hill yet? So you can go up the top of the hill and there's another little section up there and then you jump back down it, but the jump is not as wide as that is. It's only like this wide. And it's all overgrown with grass. I was hoping you wouldn't like come through there. That's why I slowed down so you get behind me and see. So I was hoping you wouldn't come through and be like, oh, there's a jump there. Yeah. Kill yourself.
You know what you could do though and really hurt yourself? Is you could pick this thing back up after you wreck on a hill or something and grab a handful and it go.
I know.
Like when I went to pick it up, I grabbed the grip and like purposefully rolled forward really hard and held the brake. So there's no way it would fucking.
Is there no tip over sensor?
Dude, I picked it right back up and I gave it a little gas after I got up and it was like.
Oh. See, my kid's bike has a tip over sensor. And so when it falls over, you have to reset the power by rolling the throttle forward.
That's probably what you should have.
That should, if this thing should have a tip over sensor, and when you fall over, it should go to neutral. Yeah. Oh my God. I was hoping that like one of us wouldn't break this lever today, and then like us not be able to buy one or something.
It's a Brembo. It'd be a KTM lever. Hold on a second.
The bars look like they're still straight with the forks.
I straightened them up a little bit earlier.
But the wheels tweaked.
Turn. Rack them to the left.
Usually we'll hold it to the left and then kick the wheel.
And I went a little too far. Go back the other way. That's the money right there.
Okay.
You might be careful when you first start and make sure that it's straight so you don't come into a corner and go left and mean to go right. Wow. Wait, can I leave my bike right here? Yeah.
So let's do another session or whatever.
I'm not looking.
And then let's head over to the moto track. Okay. Go back, get some. Man, you did go down good, didn't you?
Am I dirty?
Yeah. It should be off. Is the light on? So the light's off, so it's off. If you decide you want to go, press and hold that. It'll turn on. That's neutral, blinking green. Then you go down to map 1, That's map 1, and it's only set on 20 horsepower. So literally, it's like slower than a TTR 125 right now. Yeah, me and you already rocked 25% out of the battery, dog.
Yeah.